Okay, so today we will make fish chili dry. For that we require about 200 grams of fish fillet, 200 to 250 grams fish fillet. We require corn flour, 2 teaspoon. We require 1 egg, but we are not going to use the entire egg. Then we require all-purpose flour or maida, about 2 teaspoons, 2 heap teaspoons. We require soya sauce, 3 to 4 teaspoons. We require ginger, half an inch, garlic, 10 to 12. Then 3 to 4 green chilies slit lengthwise. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. And bell pepper, yellow and red, slit it lengthwise. And then just the stem of the spring onion. Vinegar also, vinegar about half a teaspoon for marination, and then again 1 teaspoon for saute. So these are the ingredients that we require to make fish chili dry. Now first what we do is to the fish fillet we will add half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, we are going to add soya sauce, so we don't require a lot of salt. Then about 3 to 4 teaspoons of soya sauce. Take the thick soya sauce, 3 to 4 teaspoons of soya sauce, and then about half a teaspoon of vinegar. Now I have used the white vinegar. You can also use the brown vinegar. Then we add, we've beaten up 1 egg, but we'll add just about 4 to 5 teaspoons of egg. We don't require the entire quantity of egg. Mix it up well. Now to this we will add corn flour, about 2 heap teaspoons of corn flour, and all-purpose flour or maida, about 2 heap teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Now this is required. Mix it up well. We need to shallow fry the fillet. So we don't want the mixture to be runny. If it's a bit runny, you can add more of the corn flour and all-purpose flour, but 2 teaspoons to this quantity is fine. Now if you have the time, you can leave it for half an hour or you can immediately shallow fry it. So what we are going to do is heat the oil and shallow fry the fish fillet. 1 fillet at a time you add to the oil. Now you can use prawns also instead of the fish. You can use prawns. Remember, prawns become a bit rubbery if they are overcooked, so be very careful. Don't overcook the prawns. You can use chicken also, boneless chicken chunks, but then of course the cooking time for chicken would be slightly more because fish doesn't require a long time to cook. So on a medium to high heat, fry the fish fillet. Make sure that the fish is not overcooked because otherwise it will break. Flip it lightly on the other side and it won't take long. Fish cooks very fast. In fact, prawns will require even less time for cooking. Chicken, of course, will require a little more time. But of course, the method is the same. Now drain the fish fillet on absorbent paper and keep aside. So this is also a very simple recipe. It doesn't require a lot of time and it's pretty quick. So drain the fillet well and keep aside. Now our fish fillet is all done. What we need to do is saute the fish fillet. So for this I will take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am using the same oil that I had used for frying the fish fillet. Take about 2 tablespoons oil. This oil is already hot. If it's not hot, you heat it up again. And then to this you add the slit green chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies. You can adjust the spice level by increasing or reducing the quantity. And of course the chopped ginger and garlic. We've taken half-inch piece of ginger and we've taken about 10 to 12 garlic pieces. So we chop it fine. Now saute it well. It will take about on medium heat, medium to low heat. Saute it well till it's very light brown in color, so we don't get the raw smell of the ginger and the garlic. To this we will add very little salt, just about half a teaspoon of salt, and then again we will add soya sauce to it, about 3 to 4 teaspoons of soya sauce to this, and vinegar we will add about a teaspoon of vinegar, and mix it up well. You add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Remember, wherever you are adding soya sauce, you need to add sugar to balance the taste. Now mix this up well, and to this you add the fried fish fillet. So saute it well for a minute on low heat, and then you add the fish fillet. Mix it up well. That's it. So see, it's pretty simple. Mix it up well, and just before serving you can add the chopped spring onion, the stem of the spring onion, and the bell pepper. Remember, we've slit the bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper lengthwise. We slit it, just a few pieces. So add this to the fish fillet, and your fish chili dry is ready. So you see, it's a very simple recipe.